So, my room is rather large. I'm talking a little louder now because I don't know how big of a difference being ever so slightly farther away from my phone is going to make that big of a difference. But what I'm going to be doing is just doing some throat singing. I'm going to do it different lengths because my room kind of stretches. So, I'll do lower than the mid stuff that I can do. Okay, I'm also going to do a little bit of talking just to have a general reference as to sound. My heater's also in the middle of the room. It's kind of noisy, so I do have that to compete with. But it'll be good. So, we'll do lower first. Do the mid-range. Now I'm going to come forward. As I'm coming forward, I'm going to be talking. That way I can give myself a perspective of how the noise grows. Standing right in front of my phone on the dresser. Lower. The mid-range. And a bird. Bye now.